Snapchat is a camera and messaging app that connects people to their friends and the world. With Snapchat ads, advertisers can reach a global audience and achieve meaningful results. Snapchat ads are one of the key elements for brands' social media strategies. Similar to Facebook ads, Snapchat's advertising platform is self-service. Anyone can create ads, launch campaigns, track performance, and optimize campaigns with the Snap Ad Manager. In this video, I will explain how to create Pixel from your Snapchat ad account and how to connect Snapchat Pixel to Lightfunnels account. To start creating adverts, go to the Snapchat Ads button in the top right corner. On the page that opens, quickly create your ad account with the Create an Ad button. When you access your Snapchat Ads account, you are greeted by a management panel with a simple interface. The steps you need to do after that are quite simple. Go to Pixel Creation with Create Ads in the top left corner of your ad panel. Click on Pixel under the Assets tab. After clicking Create Pixel on the page that opens, it will ask you to enter a name for the pixel. Just enter any descriptive name here. Our Snapchat ad pixel has been created. We will now connect this pixel consisting of long characters that you see at the top to our Lightfunnels panel. In our Lightfunnels panel, we add our pixels from the Tracking tab in the Settings section. After going to the Snapchat Pixel section, we will add our pixel with the Add New Pixel button. In the Pixel Name field, I enter the pixel name we created in Snapchat, and in the Pixel ID section, I enter our Snapchat Pixel ID number in these fields. To check if Snapchat Pixel is working, we need to go to Google Chrome extension and install the Snapchat Pixel Helper extension. Now I will connect my Snapchat Pixel to the funnel I want to use. Recently added Zahra theme in funnel templates. I want to use this template. On the editor screen, I go to the Tracking tab on the left side and select the Snapchat pixel I added and connect the pixel for this funnel. The Snap Pixel Helper app worked successfully in the funnel, and you can check here that data is received from the links. Creating a Snapchat Pixel account and connecting pixels to Lightfunnels is that simple and easy. In order for Pixel Helper plugins to work properly and to get accurate data, make sure that if there is an ad blocker in your browser, it is disabled. Lightfunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for Lightfunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of Lightfunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of Lightfunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that Lightfunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, Lightfunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.